Welcome back, Navi.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so now let us talk about this picture right here. Okay, so can you tell me where are the people?
There are in the sea.
Okay, they are in the
City.
in the city. Okay, does the city look like this, Navi?
Why? Can you make it bigger?
Oh, bigger. Okay, wait.
But why it don't have a road to the train go?
No, there is. Behind this one, this is the
It's mean it's go to here.
yeah, behind. No, behind this hill, Navi.
No, it's not like that. But I think it will go in the cave.
No, it's not a cave.
But
Okay.
in Da Nang there is a cave to go under some
Trains,
no some
cars.
some no, I mean this one.
What is that?
Mountain.
Oh, mountains.
Let's
Okay.
go in mountain. There's a cave and we can go in mountain.
Yes, that is right, Navi. Some mountains it has caves. Okay, so you have been to a cave in Vietnam. What is the name of that cave? Is it Sundong Cave?
This one. This is very long.
Have you been to Sundong Cave, Navi?
No, teacher.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
This
Haivan.
one. No, no,
Wait, let
no,
me
no, no.
search
Let
it. Is it
I
a big
change.
one?
No, let I change. Wait a moment. I change another one.
Okay. Oh, it is a place, Navi. It is a place. Oh, this one? Are you referring to this?
Yes.
Oh, it's a tunnel, Navi. It is a tunnel, not a cave.
No, I mean this one.
Where? A cave is different to a tunnel.
This one.
Where? Because a tunnel, Navi, it is just a place wherein cars can go, just like this one. They can pass.
No, it's just one, not two. I mean, it's like yes, yes, yes. It had two. One is go in and one is go out.
Okay, so it is a tunnel, not a cave. Because a tunnel is different from a cave. Okay. Now,
Anh xong cái tập khác rồi. Em nhấn picture 31 rồi. Mm, it's very long.
oh, it's a
It's
long
like
one.
I mean when it's just you see you go it's very fast but it's very
Mm.
long. But with
Oh,
my car it's very long
have you?
and it's and it and Anna sleeps when it's finished to go out.
Oh, really? So it's a long way down there. Okay, wonderful. And it's really dark, right? Really dark. So you have to turn on the car lights. Okay. Now, Navi, can you tell me where are the people? Where are they in this picture?
They are in the city.
Okay. Now, what is the boy on the bicycle wearing on his head?
It's a helmet.
What is the girl with her mother doing?
They want to walk on the road.
Okay, they are walking a dog, Navi. They are walking a dog. And they are probably going to the bakery. Okay, they are walking. No, it's a man. It's a man. It is dad.
Oh, oh, oh. They want to go to the supermarket.
Okay. And who's running in front of the dog?
It's the boy.
Okay, it's the boy, but we have here a lot of boys, Navi, so you have to be
The
specific.
boy with the boy with white t-shirt and blue shorts.
Okay, is running in front of the dog. So, how many people are in the green car?
There are there are 3 people.
Three?
Can you make it bigger? Four.
Yes, there are 4 people in the green car. Is there a train?
Yes, it is. Can you make it
Yes,
bigger?
there is. Yes, there is, Navi. When the question starts with is there, Navi, is there, you have to answer yes, there is. Okay, not yes, it is. Yes, there is. What color is the train? What color is the train?
Teacher, I think this building because look here.
Where? Which building? Oh,
Here, in here. It will have building.
I think that is a fruit shop. Okay, it's a fruit shop, Navi, and this one is the bakery.
Yes. Macon is the supermarket.
Yeah. Okay, so can you tell me what color is the train?
The train is yellow and red and white.
Okay, yellow, red, and white. Okay, now what is behind the green car?
It's the blue truck.
Very good. What color is the boy's bicycle? What color is the boy's bicycle? What color is the boy's bicycle, Navi?
It's red.
What are the man in the white coat and his daughter doing?
He and his daughter want to come over the road.
Okay, they want to cross the road, Navi. What is in the sky?
It's the plane, the helicopter, and the sun.
Okay, yes, we have here the helicopter and the plane, Navi. Helicopter and the plane are in the sky. Okay, now let us proceed to this one, Navi. I will give you 2 minutes to think, Navi, and once you are ready, you can talk about it. 2 minutes,
I don't
okay?
need to think.
What?
I don't need to think.
Oh, you don't need to think. Okay, that's great. So let us start now.
This is a picture of a city. There are many people in this picture. There's the boy. He is riding a red bicycle. He's wearing a the blue sweater and orange orange trousers and wearing a red helmet. Behind the boy, it's the green car. There are four people in the green car. It's the mother and two sons and one daughter. The woman is wearing a pink dress. The boy is wearing a blue, a red t-shirt. The next boy is wearing a blue shirt, and the girl is wearing a
Orange.
dress. A dress. There is a man and a girl. The man is wearing a blue sweater and blue trousers. The girl is wearing a pink sweater and a pink skirt. They want to cross the road. Next one is the boy. He's wearing a white t-shirt with blue shorts. There is a dog. There, a mom and the daughter are walking the dog. The woman is wearing a white sweater and the blue trousers, and the girl is wearing a pink t-shirt with purple trousers. And there's a supermarket near there. There is a station of the train. They are waiting for the people to come. And there are four birds are on the house. The house has five windows and a red door. Near the house is a blue truck. The blue truck is white and blue, and inside is the man. He is wearing a blue shirt with yellow trousers. And on the sky it's the plane and the helicopter. Everyone is happy, and the day everyone is busy, and the day is happy.
Okay, yes, very good. Navi, well done. Talking about this one, I really appreciate it, Navi, and I must say you did well than the given picture, um, than the given modal answer in here. Great job, Navi. So unlike before, wherein you would say, you would answer or you would ask questions first before answering it. Right now, you're able to slowly becoming more comfortable and confident in sharing ideas. So let us proceed to this one, Navi. Do you want to read it?
Yes. This is a picture of a street. It's a sunny day. There are many people and bicycle. A boy is on a red bicycle and it's wearing a red helmet. A girl is walking her dog with her mother. A boy with a white shirt is running in front of the dog. There is a green car with four people. The adult is driving and three children inside. Behind the car is there's a blue and white lorry. I also see a man with a white coat and crossing the road with his daughter. In the sky, there's a plane and a helicopter. A red and white train is passing by in the background. Everyone looks busy on this sunny day.
Okay, yes, very good. I see, you're even able to present it in a more detailed manner than the given answer in here. So are you sleepy now, Navi? Are you tired? What will you do after our class, Navi? Do you have another class to attend?
I learn math,
Oh, you have math. Oh, but you just told me that you're done learning math at the cafe.
but I need to learn more and waited to my dad to come home and we will eat.
Ah, okay, you will eat out?
No, it's in, but I need to wait my dad to come home.
Oh, okay. Now, Navi, let us have another picture. Can you tell me where are the people?
Wait a moment. It's like a snake teacher. A
Yes? Like
snake.
a, no, that's not a snake you've shown me. Um, you've shown it to me last time, and that is a headband, Navi.
No, it's another.
Wait, another one? That's a different one?
Here, it's not like a handbag.
It's a headband, Navi. It's a headband.
No, it's like this. The handband just do like this. It's not do like this, but this is another one.
Oh, really? Sure about that? That is it. That's the same one as you've shown to me last time. You even put it on your head.
No, it's another, but it has a ring. Finger.
Oh, hey, you can get that. You can get that out.
No, it's stuck in.
Oh, really? Are you sure, or you're just kidding?
When we do like this, it will do on our nose.
That's cute, Navi. Okay, well, let us start now. Can you tell me where are the people, Navi?
There, look, you don't know what to come out.
Of course you
This
can get
is
it.
the
Of course you can get it, Navi. Can you tell me now where
here.
are the people? No, that is not for your neck, Navi. That's not a necklace, Navi.
Is a necklace.
No, it's
Look,
not a necklace.
it
No,
is for a dog. It's
it's
for
for
a
the
dog.
dog. It's for the dog. Okay, so let us focus now, Navi. Where are the
And look at
people?
this one. It's have English. English.
Oh, okay. English indeed. Can you tell me where are the people, Navi?
The people are at the beach.
Okay, yes, very good. How's the weather?
One, I have they give to me. One, two, two.
How's the weather?
Teacher, I, I, I have this one. They give to me. Here, two of them.
No, I can see the other one clearly.
Here, they give to me. That then I will put it over. I don't put it like that anymore. Okay, you can see much better. Here.
Oh, okay. Those are coloring pens, right? A headband and a coloring pen.
And this one, it can take out.
Yeah, because that is not for the headband, Navi. I think that is from a souvenir or
And
something.
they, and I have to give to me.
Do you draw?
No, but I have in the test.
Oh, okay. Well, that is nice, Navi. You need that at school. So let us focus now, Navi. Anyways, we're almost done, okay? So can you tell me where are the people? How's the weather, Navi?
It's very sunny. But
What?
why it's very sunny? The man would put this clothes.
No, probably it's very hot and he doesn't want to be dark, Navi. That's why he's putting on sweater.
Oh my! It will
Yes.
be more. It's very hot.
Yeah, but it will protect his
Very
skin.
hot. But
It
can
will
you see?
protect
I
his
think it's some
skin.
ice in this one,
Yes, I think so.
or
I
some
agree.
uh,
I think it's a
and something is
cooler,
juice.
Navi. It's a
It's
cooler.
and I think it's some put a juice.
Yes, to keep
And this
everything
is put
cold.
ice.
Yes. I agree with you, Navi. Can you tell me what is the boy with a fishing rod doing?
He is trying to catch one fish to eat it. I think the family have a trip.
Okay, yes, probably, Navi, since we have here a red car. Okay, now what is the man in the green shirt carrying?
Where is the oh, 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 oh. The man is carrying two boxes.
Okay, yes. And what colors are the lighthouse?
The lighthouse means what?
Lighthouse. Do you know what a lighthouse is?
No.
Oh, this one, Navi. That is a
Oh,
lighthouse.
oh, oh. It's red. Teacher, but what is this?
Where? That is a house, Navi. That is a house.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? It's a cute house. Not all houses are big,
I
Navi.
think it's
Some are small.
apartment.
No, it's not an apartment, Navi, because an apartment is not just the one. It is, it is more than that. An apartment looks like this, Navi.
Okay.
An apartment looks like this.
Oh.
Okay, so in each
No,
block,
no. Can
Navi,
you search 18?
18,
80. 80.
why?
I want to see apartments. 80 apartments have 80, 80, 80 floor.
Oh
Oh,
no, we can probably this one. Yeah, but that's very high, Navi. Okay, so I believe that would be all it for our class today, Navi. So I'll see you again on Monday. Thank you, Navi. Goodbye, Navi.